Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Curate Data Analytics. Here we convert insight to action and deliver business impact. On today's video, we are going to showcase the sales dashboard. So here it is. This is our sales dashboard, and let's start with the primary sales. So this is just a second. This is the primary sales for the financial year 20 and 22. So these are the data cards it is of 176 approximately in primary sales in million, and last year 2076 same also. So primary sales, and so here we are depicting primary sales by month and year, where it is all clickable completely. So if I just click on August 21, it's a 33 million approximate. So here it converts all. Then it is primary sales by customer. So here it is. If I click on customer 0018, notices 13 million. So it will depict his sales for the last year and how its growth is done. So now primary sales and percentage by contribution by ZBM. ZBM is zonal business manager. So here it is. If I click on ZBM3, which is of approximately around 43 million. So here I go, and it says growth and degrowth rate. Therefore, primary sales MOM percentage or growth over last year. Here it is. That it is. Primary sales by category. So if I click on any category of product, for example, if I click on category 3 or category 5, let's click on category 5. So here it is. So it will show that this category has been growing since on and on. Now next we go to the secondary sales. Secondary sales is 37.26 million for financial year 2020 and 21. So secondary sales by month. So if I click randomly on a month, that is February 21, which is approximately 23 million. So I'll go get of all the customers, that is secondary sales, all the ZBMs and all the percentage growth that happened in that month. Secondary sales by category. So let's go here. If I click on category 3, it's for 0.04 billion. So here it converts. Then secondary sales by customer. If I click on customer 474, which is approximately 17 million, and here I can see this. So it says growth or secondary sales by percentage contribution by ZBM. So here it is 79 million of ZBM3. I just click on it and it shows as growth and degrowth percentage. So next we go to a combined dashboard of primary and secondary sales. As here it is. So we can, similarly to the previous dashboards, we can also click on these and we can share it accordingly. So if I go with October 20, the primary sales was 39 million, 32 million was the primary, just a second. 39 million was the secondary, just a second. Okay, the light blue is primary and the dark blue is secondary. So 39 million was primary sales and 32 million is the secondary sales. So here we go. Similarly, if the primary sales and secondary sales by customer, so if I click on a customer, it is primary sales and percentage contribution is secondary sales. So it converts like this. Then primary and secondary sales by ZBM. So if I click on ZBM4, here it is. Primary sales and secondary sales by category. So if I click on category 1, it says the category has been growing, and since it has a slight degrowth in January and in May. So here we go to the territory sales. Territory sales for year 2021. Territory wise sales in month, year, in lakh. So here it is. This is the list. Territory sales in territory sales by area in lakhs. So let's just click on the month, that is I click for January. So which area contributed to what contribution, which ZPM, which category has been growing or degrowing. And if I click on area, for example, if I click on area 16, so it is 426 lakhs, and this has been a slight degrowth as compared to the previous year. Then if I click on particularly for a ZBM, so let's click on ZBM 4. So it has a degrowth, growth. So here it's MOM percentage growth over last year versus. Now if I click on category, if I click on category 3, here it is, its value that is has been growing and degrowing. So next, now we go to the line wise sale item. For example, people like to see the dashboards in the proper old Excel format. So there is the Excel format for it, that which and where customer has been growing, degrowing, what's its value, what's its complete bifurcation. So if the percentage contribution is that is C12 is the highest, so here it is. Next is the traditional trade and modern trade sales. So sales for all all trades, that is traditional trade and modern trade, retailer wise sales, value share by trade of all trades, category wise sales of all trades, and area wise sales of traditional trade and modern trade. So we are considering 14 areas and 6 categories here. So the total sales of 208 million and 5,492 retailers. So if I click on the month of August, that is 24 million. So all the figures convert accordingly, and which area contributed to which value and which retailer had its share. So, and the difference in traditional and modern trade. Retailer wise sales of all trades here. So if I click on retailer is areas of area 6 and with the code 2408, which is 7 million. So this sales for the previous month, that is category wise sales, and it is a modern trade. Okay. So if I just want to see by modern trade or traditional trade, I can click here as well and here as well. So I click on modern trade. Yeah, so this is just the modern trade. Now when I click on the traditional trade model, so here it is. In category, if I want to see the category wise sales, so it is, that is, I clicked on category 2 and it has been accordingly here. Area wise sales for all traditional trade and modern trade. So I click on area 1, which is 26 million. So here it value, okay, it's traditional trade has been slow and modern trade. Next we go to the tonnage wise, that is by volume. So sales in tonnage by month and year, sales in tonnage by ZM, sales in tonnage by city, and sales in tonnage by percentage growth over last year. So let's just, and this is for the financial year 21-22. So let's just click on the city, that is city 10. So here we go, that it is YTD in 19.24. Total sales is this, and percentage growth is there. Next we click by month year. So if I click on August 21, so here are the values. Tonnage sales by ZM. So if I click on zone 4, these are the cities that it covers, and this is the percentage growth. Similarly, the city filter, or I can click from here also, and it depends on how much the tonnage it is. For example, if I click a zone, so number of cities are visible here. Then we click go to the promoter sales. It is the target versus achievement for financial year 16 and 17. So here the month-wise target versus achievement. Here This is the target. This is the actual sales. This is not achieved target. So as you can see, the promoters are not achieving their target majorly. Let's click on for a month of May 17. So it is that these values are pop up. Target and achievement by promoter name, target and achievement percentage by area, target and achievement by product. So if I click on and percentage contribution of each product. So if I click on each product, so if I click on pasta here, pasta has been constantly has a good amount of value and slightly growing on switch. So next we can add of the area wise. So if I click on area, it's opening the 5. So you can see that these promoters are there, and this has also achieved the target in the month of October 16. Olive oil is the major category. So if I click on particular promoter, we can have this way that this promoter achieved the target in few months and hasn't achieved a huge amount in April 17. So this was the sales dashboards. And this is how you can build up the story and analyze what exactly happens in the system. This is one of the templates for the sales dashboard, which is totally customizable according to your needs. If you want to add more KPIs or add more pages or want to change something to a completely different way, we can help you. And if you want to know about more about the services and the processes, you can always connect us at LinkedIn web or our website, or you can mail us at partner@curatedata.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.